Do you want to mirror your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro to your TV? Whether you're sharing photos, playing games, or giving a presentation, screen mirroring is a super useful feature that lets you enjoy your iPhone's display on a bigger screen. So in order to start screen mirroring between an iPhone and your TV, you'll first have to make sure that your phone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So open your control center on iPhone and check the name of the Wi-Fi network. It has to be the same as the Wi-Fi network on which your TV is connected to. Another thing which you'll need in the control center is this little icon that looks like two squares. If you don't have this, then simply tap on this plus option at the top left. Then add a control. Search for the option called Screen Mirroring, and then tap on it once to add it to your control center. If I tap on this option now, it's going to show me a list of available smart TVs which I can connect to and share my screen. Tap on the TV and then enter the code which will show up on your TV. After this step, you'll be connected and you'll start sharing the iPhone screen with your large TV screen. If you don't see the TV on the list, then it's possible that your TV doesn't support screen mirroring, or you're just not connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.